Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we will learn how to do upwards scrolling, and as you see here we will make a rocket fly in space. Before we begin, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, let's start. First we will remove the sprite of the cat. Then we will import, upload this sprite I have made, and I also put it on my homepage, thebeardad.com, and you can download it from there if you like, or you can make a new one. It's up to you. But in my next video I will show how to make backgrounds like this. Then on the stars we will add some code. We'll go to events. When clicked we will go to the X and Y position, and we will put it to 0 and 0. Then go to control, we add a continuous loop, and then we will have a motion and glide in 10 seconds to 0 and minus 345. Now what will happen is that our screen, our background will glide in 10 seconds and only on the Y position. If we do like this, we see the screen is moving. Then we set the X and Y position to 0 and 0 again. When you're coming to the point of minus 345, then it goes straight up again. As you see, the sprite is moving and it's becoming white here. So we will duplicate the whole sprite together with the code. So we go here, we press right click and duplicate, then it is stars and stars 2. Here are the costume and there the costume, and here we have the same code, but we want to change this code. We can go stars 2 and 345. That is the Y position, and then we will glide to 0 and 0, and we will put 345 here again, so it will glide at the top. If you try now, it goes in a continuous loop. And if you look down here, you will see the Y position changing all the time and the X position, It's at the same place all the time. Now we only need a rocket. So we go here and choose a sprite. We type here rock. And the size of the rocket ship is very big. So we go here, size, double click, 50 and enter. Now the rocket ship is smaller and we can move it with the precision here maybe. And we try again. Now the rocket ship is flying in space. We can also add 2 events. When we press the left arrow, or if we press the right arrow, then we will change the X position with -10 or 10, and we will also have a little control if on edge bounce. Let's try again. It's almost a game now. We will make a game with this in a later video. This was all for today. I hope you had a good time in learning, and I'll see you next time.